You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is confusing indeed, stay tuned. I've got more videos coming up for you. Pronounced as studious, from the verb to study, studious. It's not an us sound, it's an us sound. Stress on the first syllable. English pronunciation. How to pronounce studious. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.